Guys, good morning, good morning. Ito guys, ito yung una namin kinabit guys. Yan, glass to glass yan guys. Dark green, saka with kuning. Yan, ito yung bahay sa Concepcion guys, na malaki ito guys. Guys, yun guys, finish na ang ating ginagawa guys. Yan, yung lahat finish na yun guys. Ito yan. Kung gusto mo pagawa guys, PM lang guys. Yan, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, ito, walo guys. Walo yung ginawa namin na cabinet. Shout out guys sa mga viewers natin dyan. May hanging cabinet pa dito guys, ilagay dito banda. Yan, sa may kanto dyan, hanging cabinet pa dyan ilagay. Saka dito yan, sa may haligi banda, yan namin ikabit yung hanging cabinet. Abangan nyo guys pag balik namin. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys. Sa susunod na video naman guys, shout out sa 2 million viewers dyan. Thank you so much. Okay guys, thank you for watching.